Maharashtra ATS official has said they are doing a discreet inquiry which is routine in such cases. This on reports of Kashmir pattern of stone pelting. The ATS official in question says there is no pattern that has been established though. How the mob was mobilized with stones and bricks, petrol pumps used with precision on police vehicles, all these angles need to be probed by the police is what we know. Ritik continues to be with us. For more on that, the ATS, they're saying that they're probing the way the riots began really, but no specific pattern has been established as far as stone pelting is concerned. Ritik? Maharashtra ATS to probe how the Nagpur riots began. They've been tasked with the job of looking into how the rioting and the tensions began in this area and continued up until late Monday evening. The ATS has said they're doing a discreet inquiry which is routine in such cases. On reports of Kashmir pattern of stone pelting, ATS officials said there is no pattern as of now. How the mob was mobilized with stones and bricks, petrol bombs used with precision on police vehicles, all these angles need to be probed by the cops is what we know. Getting you more details about the inquiry in this case, about the investigations in this case, even as an uneasy calm prevails in Maharashtra's violence hit Nagpur, with the ATS saying how the mob was mobilized with sticks and stones. Whether there is a pattern to this or not is going to be established only after a detailed inquiry is what we know. The ATS to probe how the Nagpur riots began essentially in this case. ATS probe how mob mobilized with stones and sticks. They're doing a discreet inquiry which is routine in such cases is what sources within the ATS are indicating. Ritik is back with us for the very latest. Take us through the details of the investigations in this case. Ritik?